The VOX VX50 GTV guitar amplifier delivers surprisingly full and articulate tone for such a compact, lightweight combo, making it easy to carry between rehearsals and gigs. Its hybrid design uses a modern Nutube stage to capture much of the feel and response of classic tube amplifiers while keeping heat, weight, and maintenance low. The built-in modeling engine offers a wide range of amplifier voices, including a convincing take on the classic Vox chime, so it can cover clean, crunch, and high-gain sounds in one box. Onboard modulation, delay, and reverb effects are practical and musical, letting players shape polished tones without needing a pedal board. The 50-watt power section provides enough volume for band practice or small stages, yet the cabinet remains easy to fit in tight spaces or small studios. A direct USB connection turns the amplifier into a straightforward recording interface, making it very convenient for tracking guitar parts into a computer-based setup.